Hey guys, what's up? It's Lydia Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today, y'all, we are on episode 4. Can you believe it? Episode 4 of my palette love series. I think it's 4, or is it 3? Lord, it's probably episode 3. I'm thinking it's 4. I don't know why. But anyway, we're back today with another episode of palette love. So would y'all believe me if I tell you that this whole look on my face costs about $10 total? Would you believe me when I tell you that? Okay, well, hold on to your britches, because today this eyeshadow look is a palette that costs only $3. That's right, $3 for all of this color, all of this drama, all of this pigmentation. And today the palette of choice is from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this is one of their bite-sized eyeshadow palettes. Can you see that with the light? This is the bite-sized eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade, or in the palette, Carnival Candy is what this one is called. This one is called Carnival Candy. These are e.l.f. bite-sized shadow palettes. They only cost $3 each. I think they have 6 of them, and out of the 6, I have 5. This is how good these eyeshadows are, okay? They are amazing. They are stupid pigmented. I was so surprised when I got this one. This is the first one that I purchased, and I got it last year after watching another YouTuber, Andrea Renee. She did a look, 5 looks, 1 eyeshadow palette, and she was using these bite-sized eyeshadows, and I was like, you know what, I gotta try it. So the first one out of the e.l.f. bite-sized ones that I used was actually this one, Hot Jalapeno. This one with the yellow, the green. It's amazing. I have a video, and I'll make sure to link it down below, where I'm doing 3 looks with this palette from last summer. But these $3 eyeshadow palettes from e.l.f., for me, these are some of the best things that you could get from the drugstore. And again, they are only $3. They look amazing on brown skin. They wear really well. This is one of my favorite ones, and this is the pumpkin pie. It's a nice neutral, but it has some nice copper color in there, some shimmer. And also this one is another one. This one is the rose water. Wait, is it rose water? No, I'm sorry, this is Berry Bad. Rose water is the one I don't have because it's a little bit more cool tone. But today, this eyeshadow look is the one that I am using to create this beautiful blue smoky eyeshadow. You can see the look here. What I paired it with was some e.l.f. Under Eye Camo Concealer, my e.l.f. Eyebrow Pencil. I used their e.l.f. Lengthening Mascara. I used a e.l.f. No Smudge eyeliner underneath, and it's in the shade Smoky, so it's like a gray shade. It's not too dark. Use this on my eyeshadow. I use this color in the crease as my transition shade. I pop this color right on top of it, and then I put the blue color on the lid. They do not have separate names for these, but again, this palette is called Carnival Candy. So if you want to see how I got this very fun, very sexy, smoky blue eyeshadow look using a palette that only cost me $3, I hope that you'll keep watching.
South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, feel me. Say what? West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, feel me. Say what? West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, feel me. Say what? West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, feel me. Say what? West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, feel me. Say what? West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, feel me. Say what? West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me.
If I let this down, you get to mine. I'm talking about your body. Are you responsible? Whatever gets my back, so much is it back. Is it my goal? Is it your goal? Sometimes I'm good, right now I'm not. Say yes or say no. 'Cause I really need somebody to get with somebody.
Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, feel me. Say what? West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, feel me. Say what? West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, feel me. Say what? West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, feel me. Say what? West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, feel me. Say what? West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got
So y'all can see how easy that was to create using just those 3 shadows. I never intend for my looks to go smoky, but that's just how I roll. So gave a little smoky eye action with this blue eyeshadow. This is definitely very brown girl friendly. Like I said, I saw Andrea Renee use this on her channel, and she is a beautiful brown skin influencer. So she has darker skin than mine, beautiful. And she used this one, this blue color as well. It looks good on everybody, you guys. These e.l.f. eyeshadows are something that I recommend if you are new to eyeshadow, or if you just want to add to your stash like I do. Going to your local Target, to your Ulta, or wherever, to CVS, I do even believe they have it there, and picking up these $3 eyeshadows, you will not be sorry. They are literally some of the best eyeshadows on the market. I kid you not. That's why I have so many of them. That's why I reach for these so much, especially this one. Like, I wear this out. I wear this particular palette out completely. This is another one of theirs. This one is called Coffee and Cream. I really like this one too, especially these for nice. Is it gonna focus for me? There we go. Especially these two for like everyday wear. But this is the Cream and Sugar, not Coffee and Cream. This is the Cream and Sugar. This one is the Hot Jalapeno, which is bomb. This one is the one I just used, the Carnival Candy. And Pumpkin Spice, no, sorry, Berry Bad. And then we have Pumpkin Spice. This is the one I wear out a lot. So all 5, and I think they have 6 or 7. The other 2 are too cool tone for me, so I don't use those. I didn't get those, and it's like a purple lavender situation. So if you like that one, they have those shades too. But I'm telling y'all, This palette is the truth. As you can see, I wish it wasn't so late because I would definitely go outside and take photos, but it's like 10 o'clock at night, and because I'm filming, I'm putting on the full face, doing what I need to do, then gonna go wash my face. So you know how that goes. But yeah, this is the eyeshadow look for my Palette Love series. So thanks so much for tuning in once again. If you want to see a particular look, feel free to leave me a comment. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you are liking what you see over here on the Beauty by Elle Marie channel. This is something that is beginner friendly. I love doing beginner friendly tutorials, love doing skincare and makeup. So if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I do a whole lot of things over there, ask a whole lot of questions about what you all might want to see on my YouTube channel. And before you can blink, I will be back with a new video. So thanks again so much for watching, you guys. Have a wonderful rest of the night, and I will see you very soon.